it's Gina from WTI. Are you looking for that perfect velvet top that looks romantic and beautiful without being overly theatrical? This smocked top from CUBECIRCLE hits all of those boxes. First off, this color is dark green and it is simply stunning. It looks so beautiful in the light and just shimmers without being overly glittery. Love how the smocked top hits all the right spots to accentuate my figure, but it's still modest. So even though it has a lower neckline, I'm not exposing myself because it is elastic and helps keep things tight to my body. This can be worn off the shoulder and definitely has enough elastic to accommodate that. I prefer to wear it on my shoulders, and I just really like the way that it looks, especially again with the neckline, not just in the front, but in the back as well. It just exposes the right amount of skin to still be beautiful, but not be revealing. My favorite way to wear this top is with a pair of high-waisted jeans. I love the combination to have the texture of the velvet with the denim. I just think it looks really good together. And I love that I was able to wear this out with my husband and some friends for dinner. And then we were even able to go to a show, and it was dressy enough to look good, but I was still comfortable. I'm really pleased with this top. It's just been so much fun to wear and I love the color, and that's my point of view.